morning guys, it's Dan from K-tec Racing, and in this episode we are doing some more work on our beautiful Megane 4 that you can see behind me, and we have a load of parts lined up for it, ready for Connor, our new tech here at K-tec West Midlands, to fit. So he will be telling us a bit more about it fairly soon. I'll just sort of talk you through what we're going to be doing today. So since the dyno video, our last episode, which if you haven't checked out, go and check out, where we make like crazy amount of power and 600 Newton meters of torque or something like that, we discovered that the clutch on the Megane 4 on the manual boxes isn't the best for handling that sort of power and has started to slip. So we wanted to, at some point anyway, do our own clutch upgrade kit. So we are now going to be test fitting the KTR clutch upgrade for the Megane 4s. So I'm just going to tell you through, talk you through a bit more about what we're going to be fitting and what we're going to be achieving with it. So there's a number of parts we're going to be fitting to the clutch. That includes this clutch plate here, which is obviously uprated. It's a work of art, looks absolutely beautiful. We also then have a lightened flywheel. As you can see there, that's a bit dirty because we've test fitted it. But again, that's going to be an upgrade and we're going to feel the difference of that. We've got a slave cylinder that will go in with every change. And we have our organic clutch itself. So we will be listing two options for this, an organic and a paddle. We're going to be testing the organic for now, see what that will start slipping at, and then we're going to go to a paddle later on down the line when we're running some more power, maybe with our big turbo kit. So we're going to be putting the organic in for now, and I believe that's good for up to around 650 Newton meters, but I'll confirm that, and all the details will be in the description below. So the lads are going to start putting out the stock clutch, which we'll show you. We're going to be fitting this one in the rest of this video. Right guys, so we've got the clutch out now. As you can see, the old clutch looks pretty poor. You can see there's quite a lot of heat spots around here, so it's obviously been getting very, very warm. We're also really surprised at how small the stock clutch is compared to the uprated one that we're going to be putting in. I mean, straight away the weight as well, this is a lot heavier. But you can see the surface on the actual clutch material itself is a lot bigger on the uprated one that we're going to be putting in. So it's interesting to see this. There's quite a bit of wear and tear on here as well, and you can certainly see a lot of wear and tear on the old clutch plate. I'll show that in a bit more detail in a second, and also on the flywheel as well, and there's bits coming out of it that probably shouldn't be. So the old dual mass flywheel, we're not a massive fan of these, to be honest, but you can see quite a lot of wear and tear on the actual surfaces themselves. They don't look the best condition that we've ever seen. So we're going to be putting in the upgraded one now. Connor's going to be fitting that. It's been interesting to actually get all this out and see on the car. The subframe's rusting already on the Megane 4, which we're not too impressed about, so we'll probably get that redone. Right guys, so that is fitted now by our new mechanic, Connor. Connor, how was your first one fitting that?
Great, nice and easy to be fair.
Yeah.
A lot easier than I thought it would be.
Similar to Meg 3 or?
Yeah, a bit more wiring, but yeah, not as bad.
Good stuff. So hopefully it's going to be okay when we test drive it now. But no, that's been overseen by Floyd, obviously our master tech here as well. Connor's fairly new the last few months. Loving it so far?
Loving it.
Brilliant mate, brilliant. So great job Connor, we're going to put this all back together now, take it for a spin, see how it handles the power. Right guys, it is another day because we ran out of time when we were fitting it, but it's all fitted back in now. Connor did a great job of getting that back in. car is fantastic. I've bedded it in for about 250, 300 miles already. So yeah, it's a lot harder though. So my left leg is struggling and going to be a lot bigger than my right leg.
Oh wow. Oh man. Oh buddy, you hit them legs today, huh?
It's obviously a performance clutch, so it's going to be heavier. So it is a lot heavier on the clutch pedal, obviously. But it feels great, and it feels like it's holding the power a lot better now as well. So yeah, overall really happy with our kit. This is going to be on our website very, very shortly on k-tec.com, and you'll be able to get the Megane 4 clutch kit for Megane 4 manuals. So yeah, I'll just take you out for a quick spin now, just so you can see how the power is and how it feels out on the road. So just about to just go down the road, and I'll show you what this is like. The biting point is a lot harsher, shall we say, but she certainly rips when we can get her into the higher gears now. But it does feel very similar to the standard clutch that we had on before. The only difference is that it's a lot harder on the pedal, which is to be expected on a performance clutch, obviously. But we're just hoping that this isn't going to be slipping now, and we're obviously going to be testing the big turbo kit fairly shortly for the Megane 4s. So we just hope that this will be up to the job. If not, we might have to swap it out for the 5 or 6 piece paddle kit that we are going to be doing. This is obviously the organic clutch. So yeah. So yeah, overall, really, really happy with the clutch kit that we're launching. It's obviously been tested. It has been tested on other cars before. We've tested it as well, just so people are aware. So yeah, really good. Glad that it's in our demo car. Good that we can test it out. We're at a track day in a few weeks that we'll be videoing, so that'll be another video for you guys. But yeah, go and check out k-tecracing.com. You'll be able to find this product and loads of other products we do for the Megane 4 range on our website, and go and do some shopping, guys. We will see you soon. Please like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.